Welcome back, guys. This is Santosh from Future Traders. In this video, I will explain you about all the key features provided by Upstocks Pro mobile app. The new feature which is added to Upstocks Pro mobile app is Apply for IPO. Here we get to see all the open and recent IPOs. By using this information, we can apply IPO using Upstocks Pro mobile app. Next we have announcement. Here Upstocks notifies us about all the intraday square of timings and intraday margin. Here we get up to 15x margin on cover order and bracket orders. And the square of timing for November 4th Wednesday is at 3:10 p.m. Like this, Upstocks notifies us about everyday square of timings. Next, we have global investment. In this global investment, we can invest in companies like Google, Apple, and Tesla, the companies which are not listed in Indian stock market. To invest in these companies, we should have access in this global investment. Next, we have activate future and option and MCX. To activate these future and options, you have to download the power of attorney form and download and print, and we have to sign on the power of attorney, and we have to re-upload it to the Upstock, and they evaluate the form and they activate the future and options trading. So next we have update income proof. This income proof is required for trading in future and options, and it's not required for trading in equity stock market. And next we have mutual funds. To invest in mutual funds, you have an option in Upstocks to invest in mutual funds. Here you have the dividend percentage and dividend payout of the companies, and you can go through the information and you can invest in a mutual fund. And these are the options which we get in the Upstocks app. Here we have a detailed information about a particular stock. Previous close and today's open, today's low and high, 52-week low and high, best 5 bid and best 5 ask, the seller's percentage and the buyer's percentage. Here we have all the information in the overview section. Next we have charts. Chart is used for technical analysis. All the time frames, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, we get all the time frames. We can save the views using this option, and we have all the chart style candlestick, Heikenhashi, the commonly used candlestick pattern we get in the Upstocks app. Here we have all the indicators for our technical analysis. For example, if we add RSI, we get our RSI. This is the specification about the chart section. In this option chain, we have future and options trading section. This is not for equity traders, this is for future and options traders. In this order section, we can see only orders which is placed for Ashok Leyland. It can be closed order or open orders. This portfolio is only for Ashok Leyland. In this portfolio, we can see our holdings and positions. In this order section, we can see all our order and closed order and open order which are placed today. Here we can add funds and withdraw funds easily. Our withdrawal funds will receive in our bank account within 24 hours. These are the key features provided by Upstocks Pro mobile app. If you like the video, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you, guys.